TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good morning, folks. Steve Rhodes coming to you live from the shores of a very cloudy Delray Beach, Florida. This is your 11 a.m. update, and we've got kind of a sea of a mixed bag, really. You got the Dow trading down 108 points, S&P's off 4, 28 for the NASDAQ 100, 1 point for the Russell, 76 for the transport. Semis are up 10 points, NASDAQ Composite up 10, New York Stock Exchange up 40. You've got gold up $131, that's 3%, $6 and change, nearly 8% for silver. Light sweet crude is flat, natural gas is up 10 pennies. Let's try to figure out what all that means by looking at that 9-panel market update chart. We'll begin with the ES Mini. The ES Mini this morning pulling back, testing and rejecting that green oscillator and change line at 69.77, likely headed up to the 7,000, the top of its daily profile. I don't recall the number, right around 70.14, I think. The NQ was also, the NQ did today is it tested both the top of its daily profile at 25,629 and its green oscillator and change line. As long as price remains above those two things, folks, and the Dow you can see is doing the same thing, it is a bullish condition out there. If we take a look at high-grade copper, it's going after its Rhodes momentum indicator top. It needs a close above the high from the trading session of January 6th. That high is 611 in order to negate that signal. Gold is going to negate, it looks like it'll negate its Rhodes momentum indicator top. It's TD9 count top by closing above the high from December 26. That's at 45.84. If it does that, there's no topping signal in place. In the case of silver, it just needs to close above the high from back on December 29th. That was a solid D point top, 82.67. We're trading at 85.63. That'll get negated as well. Light sweet crude is trading above its TD9 count breakdown resistance. That's at 58.93, but we're going to be rolling over to the March contract here shortly. Natural gas is trading below profile support, trading below its red oscillator and change line. That is not good. So it looks like natural gas wants to continue to head lower. If we take a look at that 30-year Treasury, it's got a buy the D point bottom pattern out here with prices trading with inside its profile. It has support at the bottom, which is at 114.30, and resistance up at the top. This is a new profile since we were last together, up at the 116.03 level. So that's what's going on. I've got a few moments left here. How about that? Let me just switch back over here and give you the number to the where the ES Mini is likely headed. And that's going to be the top of its weekly profile. And that number is 70.14. So you can see that profile in there. It's a bullish structured profile. If the ES Mini ever closed below 66.36, then we would be seeing some kind of change in trend. That's, by the way, is the top of the monthly profile at 70.14. Folks, stay tuned for the Trader's Edge show. But if you have to start your Monday, have a magnificent one. Thanks for joining us. We'll look forward to seeing you again soon.